Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. A crispy golden fried catfish fillet is on our menu today. And here's what you need to make it. You'll need some catfish fillets. How many you're going to use? I'm going to use 2 here. So you'll need a cup of cornmeal, half a cup of flour. You need some seasoned salt, Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper if you want it. Okay, that's it. Y'all know what I always say. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. So let's get to it. All right, so to a freezer bag, plastic bag, bowl, whatever you want to put it in. You want to put a cup of cornmeal in there. All right, so one heaping cup of cornmeal. How about that? All right, then you want to put in a half cup of flour. You want to put in more cornmeal than flour. But if you want to reverse it and you like your fish like with more of a floury coating, then you can reverse it. And the cornmeal will just give you a little bit of crunch. So you can put just the opposite. All right, a little bit of Creole seasoning, probably about a teaspoon, maybe teaspoon and a half. All right, now you just want to get this mixed up really well. So mix it up so it gets coated on your fish evenly. All right. Very good. All right, now on to seasoning the fish. All right, some seasoned salt. That's my house seasoning, but basically seasoned salt. All right, seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, Creole seasoning. All right, Creole seasoning. Now, you want to pat that seasoning in there, and then you want to flip these bad babies over. All right, you want to do the same thing to this side. So once you do the same thing to this side, then we'll move on. All right, so now that the seasoning is on both sides, you want to get this put into the bag with the breading. All right, easy. See how easy this is? It's so easy. Now, meanwhile, while we're doing all of this, have your oil getting hot. Your oil should be at about 350. If not, throw a little cornmeal in there. If it bubbles up, it's ready. Or put a wooden spoon in there. If it bubbles up around the handle of the spoon, a wooden spoon, then your oil is hot enough. All right, so if you don't have a thermometer, then those are the other ways to make sure that oil is hot. All right, so now you want to make sure that this coating is evenly on both pieces of fish. All right, make sure it's even on both pieces of fish. And once you got it even on both pieces, that's it. All right, it's going to fry for about 5 to 7 minutes. No need to show that. This is what it's going to look like when it comes out. A nice golden brown catfish. All right, check that out. And we're all done. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.